buy cool stuff. And we're going to look at a couple AK47s. So let's see what these are. My brother bought one he just picked up, and we're going to shoot them both. So stay tuned. We're going to shoot them and just go over them briefly. All the technical stuff is available online. Just be a little going over them and seeing what they are. All right, so made in Serbia, MDL PAP M90 PS in 223 556 by 45. It's brand new. It's never had a round through it. We're going to run rounds through it. Got about 10 rounds in each magazine, just enough to rattle them up a little bit. Imported by Zastava Arms USA. Hey, you know what? I'm curious if the magazines are interchangeable. All right, it takes the Galil magazine. That was something interesting to find out. Don't know how it'll feed, but we'll find out. So, chambered. Safety seems to work. Let's see if we can hit that plate down there. It's a 9-inch plate. We're about 75, 80 yards. Well, she's on. Stovepipe. And we got a stovepipe. This has got an adjustable gas up here, so it may need to be adjusted a little bit. This is just some cheap plinking ammo. It's nothing special. But it's dead on. Makes that plate dance. Gonna have to paint it again. You're done. And the magazine, the bolt stays open on empty. Good deal.